Wix Stores Marketplace Integrator Review: Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. In this video, we'll be reviewing the Wix Stores Marketplace Integrator, breaking down its features, strengths, and weaknesses so you can decide if it's the right solution for your dropshipping business. Be sure to check the links to products and additional resources in the description below for easy access. The Wix Stores Marketplace Integrator is designed to help sellers automate their dropshipping business by connecting their Wix store with various marketplace platforms. This tool simplifies product importing, inventory management, and order fulfillment by integrating with top suppliers like AliExpress, Spocket, and others. One of its standout features is seamless product importing, where products are automatically imported with pre-filled product titles, new descriptions, and images. This feature saves time and ensures that your listings are set up quickly and efficiently. Additionally, the integrator supports automated order fulfillment, so when a customer places an order, the system automatically sends it to the supplier for processing and shipping, reducing manual work and errors. The Wix Stores Marketplace Integrator is tailored for small to medium-sized businesses looking to streamline their dropshipping operations. It's great for both newcomers who are just starting out and experienced sellers who want to automate and scale their stores. The platform offers real-time inventory syncing, which ensures your listings always reflect accurate stock levels, preventing issues like overselling. Additionally, the multi-supplier integration feature allows you to work with a variety of suppliers, giving you flexibility in your product sourcing. The strengths of this tool lie in its automation features, which save time, reduce errors, and help you scale your dropshipping business quickly. The inventory synchronization and pricing automation features are particularly helpful in keeping your store accurate and competitive. Plus, the ability to source from multiple suppliers helps you diversify your offerings and provide a broader range of products to your customers. However, there are a few weaknesses to consider. First, Wix's pricing plans can be expensive, especially for new dropshippers who may need to invest in higher-tier features. Additionally, the marketplace integration is limited to specific platforms, so you might not have as many options as with other integrators that support a wider range of marketplaces. Some users also report occasional delays in order processing during peak times. In conclusion, the Wix Stores Marketplace Integrator is a robust tool for automating and managing your dropshipping business. With its automation, inventory syncing, and multi-supplier sourcing, it's a great option for sellers looking to streamline their operations and scale. Be sure to explore the links in the description for more details and to get started.